Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unpack All. Today in this video we will do the unboxing and we will check out the first impression of Tagg Verve Ultra smartwatch with a curved display. I purchased this watch from the Amazon, so let's check out the packaging. Now the packaging is found to be nice and decent. So let's open this package and check out what we get inside this pack. Again, there is another box inside that package. So let's open this box also. So again, inside this box we have the main box with a device and an invoice. So now let us consider the physical overview of this box. So at the front we have the Tagg Verve branding and the watch image. So to the side of this box we have the tagline that is further beyond. So in the next side of the box we have the few key features such as 1.69-inch curved display, then the real-time oxygen monitor, IP68 water and dust resistant, sleep tracking, then multi-sport mode. So on the top and at the bottom we have nothing. At the back of this box they have given the manufacturing detail and the few highlighted key features which I have given for your reference. So on the left hand side of your screen. So please pause this video and read out all these different type of the key highlighted features that they have given to us. Nowadays, this type of features we have observed in all types of this smartwatch. So now let's do the unboxing and we will check out the box content provided by the Tagg. So here you can observe that after opening this box, we get the documentation. We will check this later on. Then again in the box we get a magnetic charge with a poco pin type. So again lastly inside the box we get a watch which I actually ordered in a grey color. And the initial thought about this watch is that though it is having a metallic build, it is so lightweight. So now let's unwrap this watch. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This watch have a nice soft silicone strap with a metallic buckle and are detachable. Now we can observe that display is protected by sticker. Now this watch have the 1.69-inch 3D curved display with a 550 nits of peak brightness. This watch look a premium. Now at the back of this watch we have the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the magnetic point charger. Again you can observe that the straps are removable simply by pressing the pin and you can replace it with another color of the strap. Let's boot the watch first time. We have the animated beautiful watch face wallpaper. Then if we swipe from the bottom we have the different menus. You can observe here